Yo, ATM Squad, welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, we have a lot to react to, so expect a lot over here on the channel. Make sure you guys turn on post notifications so you guys don't miss the upload. See, look, listen, once we hit, 500 subscribers, that's when I'm gonna start going live over here, and we can just sit back and enjoy the video and talk. But yo, what I got for you guys today is single woman picks a date based off their fried rice. Yo, make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and join the Discord. Discord link is at the top of the description. Let's get into this video. Let's get it. Let's go.
I could kind of tell from his food that
What'd she
was
say?
going to be quite nice. And he actually was.
Welcome to another episode of Flavor of Love. I'm your host, Godfrey, and today I've got 3 men to cook a single lady, each a fried rice dish. If you've been watching the last couple of episodes, we've been getting those, and I'm feeling bad now. I'm not finding anyone any love, so hopefully this works out by the end of it. Stay tuned to the very end. Let's meet our single lady.
Hi guys, I'm Lars. I'm a social media influencer. I decided to come on this show today to hopefully find someone that I can kick it with through some good food.
Yeah, she's a spicy one.
She's just trying to eat, y'all. She's just trying to eat. That's it. That's why she's here.
What would you say is your type?
I like someone that's caring, obviously loyal, someone that I can just talk to.
See, look, he started smiling. That's how you know he's trying to check off every box in his head, but he missing one thing though. She taller than him, bro. Bro was like up here, like at least 6'1", 6'2". He'd be green.
That's gonna make me laugh.
And if you were to describe yourself as a spice or a condiment, what would you say you were?
I'd definitely say that I'm a Scotch bonnet because I'm a fiery babe.
I came on the show for good vibes. It's straight war now.
Bro, why bro got daddy on his shirt? What is going on? This is in UK, right? What type of UK trip is this?
Well, hopefully the guys have cooked some amazing food for Loz today. Let's get the food out and get it started.
Hello, I'm Amir, and today I've cooked sabzi pulao, balahi. So we've got rice, salmon, kuku sabzi. Kuku sabzi is basically like an omelette.
What y'all think this tastes like?
Whoever's eating this today should be grateful at the fact that they're eating this.
It looked too green to me. I ain't gonna lie to y'all.
Ingredient. This actually costs a lot. I'm not even joking.
Wow, I'm pleasantly surprised. Is this salmon?
Yeah.
That is like my favourite. I feel like they're exciting. The food's neatly prepared. I feel like they're like a tidy person. I don't know why I'm getting that. I feel like they're spicy. Okay, the salmon I'm really impressed with. It's nearly as good as mine.
It's nearly as good as hers. Hey, listen, hold on.
I don't actually like omelets of any sort, but this is actually quite nice.
Oh my God.
I definitely feel like me and this person would get on because a lot of the things that are on this dish, I actually eat myself anyway.
Where do you want to go?
You gotta see the dude behind the food.
Sure. And I'm a Caribbean girl and spices is all in our like culture, so I feel like we could work.
See how close I'm sitting?
I feel like I am attracted to the person through the cooking, yeah.
Amazing. What? Are
Just
you
wait.
crazy?
It's about to be a whole lot of cap.
You're smiling. So the comment that stood out to me the most was adventurous. She could allow me to cook on a daily in the kitchen. That's the most important part. There's a high chance of me winning.
So that was dish number 1, and I can't lie, guys, I really enjoyed
See,
it.
listen, if it was my plate, she would have cleaned it up. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. She would have cleaned up her plate.
Now it's time to try dish number 2.
Now, what is that?
Hi, I'm Dav. Today I've made a special fried rice, quinoa. I've got
quinoa,
plantain
okay.
in there. I've got avocado, okra, oyster mushrooms, and a coconut on the side. My dish is date-worthy because it's tantalizing. It's so spontaneous. I didn't even know what.
It doesn't look that appetizing, but we'll see.
You know, yeah. If she doesn't like it, I think she's undateable. That might just be it.
I'm just really taken aback. I was not expecting.
Yeah, the
it.
presentation is
And
not
the
it.
Coconut.
You are a cheat. Where did you find the coconut? Where sells coconut?
This person has got to be a perfectionist.
Dedication.
Do you know what? I don't even want you anymore.
I've got something called trifle.
Oh, I thought she was saying the presentation wasn't that good. I mean, it doesn't look appetizing at all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but it looks. I don't know what y'all think. Y'all let me know down in the comments.
Reminded me of like holes. I don't know why.
She has a phobia against your food.
Right.
Is she saying it looks good or what? I can't tell. I might have to run it back. Hold on. I might be misunderstanding what she's saying.
I'm just really taken aback. I was not expecting this. And the coconut,
You are a cheat. Where did you find the coconut? Where sells coconut?
This person has got to be a perfectionist.
Dedication.
Do you know what? I don't even want you anymore.
I've got something called tryphobia. It's reminding me of like holes. I don't know.
Yeah,
why.
she not feeling it, coach. She not feeling it.
There's not.
Just try it.
Dang, partner! I really thought bro was gonna have some pull. Presentation was terrible, but it tasted bad as well, man. You gotta get back in the kitchen, bro. Come on now.
No, you're dead.
Dang!
No.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Dang.
The person's a bad person.
Did he even taste it before he even had her try it? That's crazy, man.
Person doesn't think things through. I feel like
Dang, dang. See, listen. I'm not gonna lie. Bear with me. Maybe my food would have came out looking like. Just kidding.
person is a chaotic.
Maybe I'm not. Damn.
Oh no.
Wow, I didn't at all. Wow, finding me in dish number one, I'm taken aback.
Bro need to get in the Discord.
Who I had in my head would probably be a bit taller. He was nice though.
I feel great. I'm kind of glad she picked me. Boy, I'll be happy enough to cook for her again.
Nah, bro. Nah, I gotta see a video when she cooking y'all some food, man. What is her skills like in the kitchen? What is her skill like in the kitchen? Does she cook it up or what?
Are you gonna exchange numbers?
Yes.
No.
Damn! I thought wrong. I got everything right except for that. But like I said, bro, she just wanted to eat. That's it.
Of course you'll say no. Look at me, the dish is better looking at me right now.
You just really not my usual type. I know it's good
Hey,
to
bro, hopped in the gym. He be solid.
try
That's understandable.
new things, but no, I just don't feel like.
Damn, partner. But yo, hit a like on the video if you haven't done so already. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. It's your boy ATM. Tune in, never tune out. Remember, every day you have a choice. True growth. Deuces.